Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in my today video I'm going to be showing you all how to crochet a very simple bunny, a very simple bunny. So I'm going to be using the MAC bonbon and I'll be using the hook 3.5 millimeter. So this is for new beginners. It's something very easy and not complicated. So the first thing that I'll begin with chains. So I take my yarn and I put it this way, and my hook I pull this inside. So right now I'm going to crochet 45 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So I'm going to crochet 45 chain, guys. See you on the other end. 4 and 45. So right now, guys, I'm having 45 chain. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to crochet 2 more chain, then I'll make 2 loops on top of my hook, and I'll start from here with half crochets. So I'm going to crochet 35 half crochet, 35 half crochet. After I finish with 35 half crochet, I'm going to crochet 5 single crochet and 5 slim crochet. So for now I have to crochet 35 half crochet. Yeah, so I'm having 35 half crochet and I'm having 10 more space left here. So the next thing I'm going to crochet 5 single crochet. That's 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then I'll crochet also 5 slim crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So when I reach here, I'll make a chain, then I'll turn my work. So from here I'll crochet again another 5 slim crochet, 1 back, 2 3 4 and 5. So from here I'll crochet 5 single crochet. So 1, so my crochet I'm crocheting it but from the front loop, guys, from the front loop. So that's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet and 5 single crochet. Then I continue now with my half crochets. So I'm crocheting all the way with the front loop. So when you're crocheting like that, this is how your work is going to be looking like, guys. So I continue going. So I just have to continue now with the half crochets till I arrive this position here, guys. So guys, I'm going. So my last stitch here. So this how your work has to look like. So right now I just have to continue like this: 35 half crochet, 5 single crochet, and 5 chain on top of this end. You continue going like that until you are having 35 centimeters lash like that. So you keep on going, guys. Arrive here, your slim stitch, 5 slim stitch, then 5 single stitch, then you continue with 35 half stitch, so this is very easy to fix, guys, especially for beginners. There's no complication with this. You just have to make sure you're having exactly your number of stitches you have, and it's all depend on the size of the head of the person that you are working on, because this, a little child cannot wear this, but as from 8 years upward they can wear it. But for kids in between 0 to 7 years, this is going to be too big for them. My last stitch, then you can see this how your work will be looking like as you work further and further. So I still have to work like half of this, so that I'll be having 35 centimeters from here to here. Then after that, I'm going to show you all how I'm going to close it, guys. And when I close it, you'll be having a very beautiful bunny. So continue from here with my half stitches, guys. So see you all on the other end. So just take note: 35 half stitch, 5 single stitch, and 5 slim stitch on top. So guys, I'm having just one more row left for me to be having my 35 centimeter slash. So right now I'm going to finish with this row, then I'll be closing my work. So I continue with my normal stitches. So I make 5 slim stitches and 5 single stitch, Then I continue with my half stitch downward. So when I crochet right down, guys, then I'm going to close my work. When I crochet right down, I'm going to open it, and you guys, you see how it's looking like. Then I'll show you all how I'm going to be closing my work. Let's keep on going, guys. So I'm almost getting to the final end. So just some few stitches left, guys, then I'm going to be done. So my last stitch here, then you can see. So this how your work has to look like. 35 centimeters from here to here, guys. So now the next thing that I'm going to do, I have to close my work. So I'm going to put the two of them together like this. I'll use my crochet hook to close, but you can use this thing, your needle. If you don't mind, when you are working on yours, you finish, you can cut the yarn long, then you use your needle to close. Me, I'm going to be using my crochet hook to close my work. So I'll start from this lower section. So I'm going to be, when I take one from this side, I take one for the other side, then I make a slim stitch. I take one from here, one side from the other side, I make a slim stitch. So one from this way, one roll from the other side, then I make a slim stitch. So I pick a yarn from here, another yarn from the other section, I make a slim stitch. So this is how I have to continue like this, guys. I have to continue closing my work this way. See, I reach this point here at the top here. So you just always make sure when you take one from this section, you take one from the other section, then you make a slim stitch. One from here and one from the other side, you make a slim stitch. So see you all on the other end, guys. So guys, I'm almost coming to the final end. So you take one loop from here, another loop that way, and you slim out. One loop this way, one loop the other way, you slim out. So my last here, slim out, then I'm going to cut the yarn right now, guys. I will cut it a little bit long because I'll still use it. I'll use it to close this hole here. So you can see, so this is the position that I close. You can see it's having almost the same like the other sides. So right now I'm going to use my needle. When you're working, you need to be having your big needle beside you. You have to know the needle is very important during crochet. So I'm going to use my needle now, and I'll close the small hole on top. So this needle, I'm going to use it here to close that small hole left there. So I'll pass it in between these holes like this. So I'm going to pass it all around, guys. Like this. Like this. Like that. Like that. So when you pass it all around, guys, you pull it like that. You see it's close. So the next thing, you can pass your needle inside. Me, I pass my needle inside like this, then I turn my work. So I'm going to pull well inside, then I'll sew the yarns well inside. I'll make sure I close it very, very well. So here I've closed. So now I'm going to make the yarn so that I can cut. So right now I'm going to cut it, then I will turn my yarn and you'll see exactly how it looks like, guys. So guys, let me turn it. So you can see this is well closed, the top is well closed, and this is the hat. So now you fold it the sides a little bit like this, then you can see how beautiful it is. Here, your hat, your simple bunny is finished. So you can see how beautiful and simple it could be. So this is going to be where kids in between 8 to 12 years, they are good to go with this. So if you have watched up to this stage, guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching.